Your soil is finally rich. Don't waste it. One wrong plant can drain it in weeks. Even great soil fails with the wrong roots. This soil took months to build. Protect it. Here's exactly what to plant and what to avoid. Rich soil is a resource, not a guarantee. Different plants pull different nutrients, fast or slow. Pick right and soil stays rich for years. Pick wrong and nutrients vanish in one season. This is about balance, not just growth. Every plant is a nutrient magnet, some stronger. Heavy feeders pull nitrogen fast, constantly. Tomatoes, corn, and squash feed aggressively. Left unchecked, they strip soil bare again. The fix isn't avoidance, it's smart pairing.
Start with legumes, peas and beans. Their roots host nitrogen-fixing bacteria. These bacteria pull nitrogen from the air. They feed soil instead of draining it. Legumes actually rebuild what other plants use. Leafy greens are light feeders, efficient growers. Spinach, lettuce, and kale grow fast without draining. Their roots stay shallow, less nutrient competition. They convert nutrients quickly into edible growth, perfect for testing rich soil safely. Root vegetables reward rich, loose soil. Loose structure means straighter, healthier roots. Carrots, beets, and radishes thrive here. Calcium-rich soil prevents cracking and rot. This is where your soil work pays off. Herbs like basil and thyme stay light. They need nutrients, but never in excess. Rich soil makes herbs more fragrant, stronger. Nutrient density boosts essential oil production. Herbs are low risk, high reward here.
Squash and cucumbers love nutrient-dense soil. Their fast growth demands constant nutrients. Rich soil fuels bigger, faster blooms. These are heavy feeders. Use them wisely. Pair them with legumes to balance the drain. Tomatoes are the ultimate nutrient test. They need steady calcium, no spikes, no drops. Inconsistent nutrients cause blossom and rot. Balanced soil means blemish-free, healthy fruit. Tomatoes reward soil built the right way. Flowers aren't just decoration, they're protection. Marigolds attract pollinators, repel harmful pests. They pull minimal nutrients, give back more. Planted together, they shield your soil investment. Beauty and biology working together. Now, the plants that undo your work. Corn is a nutrient vacuum, relentless. Potatoes strip potassium fast, every season. Sunflowers pull moisture and nutrients aggressively. Alone, these three plants can undo months of work.